on this episode of the Outside Dad YouTube channel. Welcome back to the Outside Dad YouTube channel. Today we are headed out to Ranger Creek Airport. We're going to do a Toys for Tots fun run. So we picked up a couple toys. We're going to go donate today and meet up with a group down in Renton. And then we're all going to roll out together and go camp down at the airport. There's a campground kind of adjacent right down near Mount Rainier. So hopefully we find some snow. That'd be fun. But we're running low on time. I assume. I took my watch off and I keep looking at it. But Jeep's all packed up. Let's get into it. Well, we were the only ones at that particular meetup. But we're on our way out to Ranger Creek Airport. Apparently there's a winter storm warning, so that could be fun. You ready to go camping?
Yes!
That one's passed out.
No, he's not.
Got about another, oh hey, he's awake. Got another about hour and 10 minutes to go. So, let's get cruising. Happy birthday to you, guys. Happy birthday to you, guys. Happy birthday, dear guys. Happy birthday to you. All right, now you both got to do it.
Yeah, team blow. Blow it together. There you go.
Perfect. Opa!
For future.
I don't feel anything.
Good morning. That was a fun evening, but I think the longest day I've ever lived. We were sitting around the fire and everybody was like, we should make dinner. Like, it's getting late. It was 3:30. I think Tony and I were up the latest, and that was like 9:30. There's somebody pulling in through the trees there. You can kind of catch their headlights every once in a while coming through. But today is Sunday, and Tony and I have to be back to go decorate the tree at my parents' house. Family tradition. So we are getting packed up. There's a 5-mile trail just out here somewhere, like just off the road into the airport. So I think we're probably gonna go at least take a gander at that. We'll see. But first we got to get packing. Thank God we brought the diesel heater, by the way, because we were roasting all night. But I think my EcoFlow has lost a bit of its battery power because it's not making it through the night on the diesel heater anymore. So that's a bummer, but hey, that means new toys. All right, let's get to packing. See you in a bit.
Tiny bit of a slip is not a fun time.
Nah. I'd rather get pulled out of a ditch than off the side of a hill.
Yeah.
It is quiet and pretty and cold.
All right, well, that's going to do it for this trip. The rest of the guys rolled on up. There's only about a mile left, but Tony and I got to hustle on back to Monroe. Got to go hang some ornaments. Tony, did you have fun on your first outing?
Heck yeah.
Now that you can do it?
Now that I can do it.
He just recently did, what'd you do, 3.5 inch lift?
3.5 inch on 35s.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Loving it?
So far, yeah. It's been a heck of a time. Everything is much smoother.
All right. Well, kids are bored, so let's just get on rolling. I want a Diet Pepsi real bad. I'm going to go do that.
That might be good for you.
Got it? You do it like that, and then you probably.